I'm back on this shifter assembly on the 140. But I finally figured out my shift lever where it goes into the shift forks was worn down. My first and second gear shift fork, you can see it better on this third and fourth gear. Got a little ball. You got 3 pockets. That's your detent setup, so when you put it in gear, it stays in gear. Third and fourth is fine. The reverse is fine. Those gears are hardly ever used. First and second, my little detent pockets had a lot of wear in them. What I also found, I forgot to mention earlier, there are 3 springs and 3 balls, your detents. I got 2 balls of 1 OD, 1 smaller ball, and all my springs are different lengths. I doubt any of them original. But I did some welding and grinding on the shifting lever. Did some build up on the first and second gear shift fork detent pockets. And I think I got it somewhat working. So here's reverse. Now, let me move the camera around so you can see the shift fork move. Reverse is on the bottom. That's reverse. There's third and fourth. That's on the top. It's smooth. It moves very smoothly in that detent, just like it's supposed to. Okay. Now here's my problem. First and second. Middle fork is first and second. Alright, I got it moving halfway decent. Go up. And I got it moving halfway decent. Still a little stiff. And that's because those little pockets for the detent balls are worn very, very badly. So I spent a little over 2 hours working on this thing. At the same time, I'm on the internet trying to find a replacement. Finally found one in tobacco country. Salvage yard over there has got boo koodles, these small cultivating tractors, all different makes and models, internationals, and the complete assembly from the shift knob to the cover to the forks. He says he's guaranteed it'll be good, 130 damn bucks plus shipping. Ugh. So I ordered it, but nothing else. I'm going to have a dang spare sitting on a shelf. And I'll put this one back on the tractor and see what it does and see if it holds up. Wish me luck. That's all for this one. Thank you.